In this video, I will show you how you can fix the Roblox not launching error. First, what we need to do, guys, is you need to press the Windows button and type in run. Press enter. From in here, you're gonna type percentage app data percentage, just like this. Okay. Now once you're in here, you're gonna go back to the app data folder, click on local, scroll down until you find Roblox. I have mine right here. Then you're gonna delete this folder. Right click, delete. Once that is done, you're gonna close it down. You're gonna find your Roblox player. I have mine right here on the desktop. If you don't have it, you can search for it. Roblox player. Right there. Right click, open file location, and it will be here. Right click on it, properties, go into compatibility. Now once you're in here, you're gonna check this box, click on this and choose Windows 7. Then you're gonna come down here, check disable full screen optimizations and check run this program as an administrator. Apply, okay. Now launch it and it should hopefully work. That's it, guys.